Hi JJ, Kevin here with another demo to show you. I know it's been a while since my last one, but I'm really excited to show this one off because this really shows off all of the final features that we need to prove for everything we're trying to do here. So first thing I've done is I have created a video, which I have an example up here of it. Basically all it does is it has a timer and then cycles through colors every 3 seconds. So I've taken the video and I've created a HLS server out of it. So now we have a web server that's streaming that video over my local internet. So with that, I paired a sequence of lighting effects that mimics the data coming in from the server, essentially in the same data format. Okay, so here's the app, and it has, as you can see, the videos in the background. We also have 3 different programs set up. And so what I'll do is I'll select program 1, turn on the entertainment controller, and then start the video. And what you'll see is that as the video changes, the effects change with it. So I've basically set up to set all the lights in this group to change all at once every 3 seconds. But we can do other things too. So let me show off. We'll stop it. We'll go to program 2. Start the entertainment group and hit go. Now this program splits the room in 2. So on one side we have the voxel stream effect where I can set any color and stream the colors, or I can set a effect group using a certain range of voxels, and right now that's alternating back and forth around the room. Now the next one I have is program 3, and this one separates the lights into 3 groups in the room, or 3 groups in the room. A couple other features I wanted to show off that I didn't get to in the last video. If I go and I start the program again, what you'll notice is that this guy is a Lytvox bulb, and so now we have Lytvox included with entertainment streaming. Now one caveat to this is that the performance isn't as good as Hue, it doesn't update as fast, but I think that it's passable for what we're trying to do, and for these kind of basic effects you don't even see a difference. So that's one nice new benefit. So another new feature is this new setting to edit location in room, and this lets you position your nanoleafs around the room, which will affect the effects during the duration of the show in terms of selecting locations within the voxel ranges, or lighting lights at the correct time if it's a wave coming through the room, for example. So this is important that users set their locations. For Hue Entertainment, it's built into the Hue Entertainment service, so they don't need to do this. But for Lytvox and for Nanoleaf, that doesn't exist yet, so we're going to build it into our app so that they have the ability to set that. Another setting that they have for Nanoleaf is this control at single light option as single light. So if we select that, then come back to here. So what this will let us do is, actually let's go this way. Sometimes it's hard to see, but this Nanoleaf in the middle of the 5x5 is in single light mode. So whereas the other 2 Nanoleafs are displaying a bit effect, panel by panel going through the lights, the one in the middle is acting as a bulb whenever the ones on the left side trigger it. So it's doing a different behavior, acting more like a Hue bulb than it is a Nanoleaf panel. And this is a user setting that users can put in there, but it also is a fundamental part of how the Nanoleafs work in relation to the app during performance. So because of that, it just made sense to have this in there if users want to have it treated differently. So that's another new feature in the app.